Well, healthcare costs are the #1 reason why a lot of people go bankrupt.
Yeah, but there is a new law that hopes to change that by making healthcare and prescription drugs more affordable. Matt Stewart is live in studio with the details on this. Good morning, Matt.
Good morning, and it's maddening to think just how much money it costs to get a simple prescription, right? Americans spend 2 to 3 times more for the same drugs than people in other countries. And it can cause many to forego life-saving drugs because they just can't afford them. According to the Rand Corporation, prescription drugs overall cost 250% more in the U.S. than in other countries. Brand name drugs cost 344% more. Examples include an overactive bladder drug that costs $164 in the U.S. but only $43 in Canada. Or that asthma drug that costs $250 here but only $52 in France. These are the exact same drugs, just sold in different countries. So wanting to put a stop to these high drug costs, Congress recently passed the Inflation Reduction Act that allows Medicare to negotiate with drug companies for certain drugs without a generic. Medicare can lower the costs of those drugs, saving a lot of people, millions of people, and insurance companies a lot of money. Also, starting next year, the cost of insulin for Medicare patients will be capped at $35 a month. And starting in 2025, out-of-pocket drug costs for Medicare recipients will be capped at $2,000 a year. All of this will make prescription drugs much more affordable. This act also lowers health insurance costs for many. Those who get their health insurance in the marketplace through the Affordable Care Act will continue to get a tax credit for the next 3 years. See, that credit was set to expire. It would have caused millions of people to have to pay much higher premiums. But the tax credits will save most around $1,000 a year. So they can keep their health insurance and avoid bankruptcy if they have a medical emergency. Now, Congresswoman Sharice will be in Overland Park later this morning to talk more about the benefits of this Inflation Reduction Act and how tens of thousands of people here in the metro will benefit. And while the prescription drug benefits won't be seen for a few years, the savings in health insurance should be realized right away, as enrollment for next year is right around the corner. Abby.